Hi, Pam Santoro here with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Georgia Properties at my new listing at 827 Perennial Drive in Sandy Springs, right in the heart of everything. Beautiful 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome, hardwood, stainless steel appliances, and more. Let's take a look. I know that you like what you saw. If you're ready to set up a private showing, just give me a call at 678-656-6627 and we can make that happen. Remember, if you want to buy or sell or invest, give me a call. No one sells a home like a mom.